All right, guys, here we are. Welcome to Mark the Point. This is the Blackjack edition. We're going to get started on our very first Blackjack video. Again, what we're going to do here, we're going to start off very simple, stupid, easy. $15 table. The first goal, start with $100 and try to make it to $200. If you can make it to $200, we're going to stop play. Now, granted, we're only going to play out one shoe. So meaning, if we lose $100 during that time, then we're going to be done with the video. However, if we're able to double up to make it to 200, we're going to end it. Otherwise, we're just going to only play one shoe, one player, $100, and we're going to see how we go. Okay, here we go. Let's get started. This is a $100 bankroll. So again, we're going to get a $15 table. We're going to start off with $15. First thing we're going to do is have a burn card. A lot of times you can ask what that burn card is. I'm going to try to teach a little bit of the books, how we go. Now, granted, I am personally I'll probably say an 80% book player, meaning I'll play 80% of what the book says, and then I typically deviate just a little bit. I don't split 8 against a 10. I don't like it, even though the book tells you to, and I don't typically hit a 2 or a 3 against a dealer, 2 or 3, which also tells you to hit. Other than that, I like to double. I like to split when supposed to. I like to double down. But we're going to get started here, our very first video. Let's see how we do. Okay, and let's get started here, right? Here we go. Again, the goal is to get as close to 21 without busting as possible. And let's get started here. So you have a 12 against a dealer jack, so that's a hit. Remember, there's hand motions, right? If you hit, you tap. I'm playing both players here as the dealer and the player. If you want to wave, you wave off like this, right? So it's 12, and that's 17. Made it 17. It's typically a wave. Let's see where we're at here. That's an 18, so that's a loss, okay? I'm also going to teach you a little bit how to press. Here I'm going to take sometimes when you take a win, we're going to take some of the wins and we're going to press it and then go from there. Well, you ready? Here we go. All right, 18 versus a 3. That's always a stay. This is a bust card. So that's a stay there. So you've got a 12 to hit and 13. Ooh, 21. So that's a loss, right? So pull this back. Okay, 2 in a row, not too good, but that's all right. That's why you brought $100, okay? Got $100 to stay with here. Go back out there for another $15. Okay, here we go. Oh, shoot. Wasn't supposed to show that. That's me being stupid. Okay, 14. I'm going to show it anyways. This is a bust card, so 14, you always stay there anyways. That's 13. That's 17. It's still a loss, okay? Pull this back. That's 3 in a row. So here's what I like to do. If I lose a couple in a row and I'm either the first one at the table or maybe there's only just 2 of us and we have a couple losses in a row, what I'm going to do is I'm going to split it and say, you know what, let's try 2 hands for 1 hand just to see how it goes. So let's go ahead and do that now. Try 2 hands. Again, still at a $15 level. Ooh, blackjack. Okay, here we go. So what do we have? Again, blackjack. So it'll technically pay me $22.50. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to 22. I don't have the little singles there. Let's call it 22. And let's go to the back there. Let's pull it back as a win. Now it's an 8 against a 6. That's just a hit. So we're going to hit. All right, that's 13. Again, bust card, we're going to stay. So you got 14. 24, too many, right? Okay, so here we go. We're going to pay here, pull this back. So that kind of helped us out, right? Had a double win. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to go ahead and pull this bet all the way back, right? Pull it back, go back to single bet, or go back to a single player. Now we're going to take that $15 and press it up like a half press, go up to a $25 bet now, okay? All right, here we go. All right, so it's a 12 against a king, or against a jack, which is technically, you want to call us a 10 plus a down face card is a 10. It's always a hit. So hit. 16 is still a hit. Always got to assume the dealer's got a 10 underneath. So you're going to hit, the dealer has to hit till 17. You want to hit the 17. Let's see what we got here. Oh, 16. Perfect. 16. Too many is 25. So again, bet 25. 125, just like that. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to do a little press and regress action, right? So we pressed it. We made a little more money. Because we lost our first 2 or 3 hands, we're going to regress it back down to a $15 bet and go from there. All right, let's put these cards back. Here we go. Now, what do we have? 8 against a 10. It's always a hit. That's 10. Big a hit. That's 20. Perfect. What do we have? Oh, we have 20. It's a push. So pull these cards back. It's all right. It always seems like it's going to work out that way, right? Okay, here we go. Oh, drop the card. Oh, good bust card. Okay, what do you have? You have a 14 against a 6. Again, this is a bust card. So we're going to stay. That 13 or 14. Ooh, 21. Gosh. Okay. It's going to lose. Pull it back. It's all right. Got a lot of brand new stuff here, guys. Got a brand new mixer here, a card dealer. Got a brand new, everything here is what you see. The felt is all brand spanking new. Still trying to get a hold of it, get a hang of it. Okay, 15 against a 3. Remember, 3 is a bust card, right? So you're going to wave it off. 13, 17. Didn't work out this time, right? Goes back. Okay, what do we say? Lost a couple in a row. Let's go back to a 2-hand. See if it works out for us, right? Just like that. Okay, here we go. Now, what do we have again? Dealer still has a 10. So what you got to do, you got to hit 14. Ooh, perfect. 20. 12, you got to hit. 15, got to hit. 18, you're going to stay. Dealer has 20. Okay, so you lose this one right here, and that one is a push. Okay, not too bad to get started, right? A little bit down. A little bit down. Okay, that's still out there. Here we go. And that goal is to try to change up the cards a little bit into your favor. So you have an 8, 18 against a 3. You can double this if you feel like you want to be aggressive and double. I typically do not double an 18 against a 3. You have a pretty good bet against a 3, so I'm going to call it a stand. 13, 15, 25. Good win, right? Okay, so you win this. So what we're going to do is we're going to pull these cards back. Like I said, we're going to do like a little half stack. So come a 15, make it a $25 bet, and I pull one bet back. So stack 1 and rack 1, or stack 2, rack 1 essentially, right? Here we go. My little sleeves moving on me here. Okay, what we have? 15 against a 6. 6 is a bust card. So that's soft 17. You got to hit. 17 still a loss, right? It's okay. Go back out there for a $15 bet. Again, see if we can do any good. We haven't really got it up yet, so we're definitely still losing, right? Or still down. If you want to call it that. Okay, so here we go. Got to call if you have insurance. So most of us don't usually play in the levels to have to require insurance. I definitely wouldn't call insurance on anything less than a couple $100, $200 to $300 to $400. I personally don't ever say yes to insurance. I usually let it right out. But we're going to check to see what it looks like, and we are no blackjack, so we're good. So you have an 18 against an 8, soft 18. I'm going to say just to leave it as is, no hit. Okay, here we go. What do we have? We have 2. You have 19. Gosh, the 19 that is going to lose here. That's an 18. Let's pull these back. 3 aces. Wasted aces, right? Going to put your bet out there. $15. See if I get that thing to stay still a little bit here. It's wanting to move on me. All right, here we go. 19 against a 10. Again, 10, you expect them to have a 20. Either way, it's still a good hand, so you're going to wave it off. 15, that's good. 15, 20. Gosh, even at my home table, the dealer's still winning, right? All right, that's for your advantage. The dealer always has the advantage. Remember. Here we go. It's probably the last 2 hands, depending on what these 2 do, right? Starting with a 5, been a card. 15 against an 8, you got to hit. 25. Oh man. Here we go, guys. That's what it all comes down to. How do we do? The last 15, what we do is we never want to leave spare change. We always just go ahead and put this out there for the dealer, see if you win, and let's try it out. You ready? Here we go. Not a good start. Oh, they got a 4, right? So what we have is we have a 4, a 14 versus 4. This could technically be a double if you had more money to double this. You could do that if you wanted to. This is a bust card, but we don't have enough money, so we're just gonna. We actually could just go ahead and take a hit, actually, because you're not risking anything taking a hit. So we're gonna take a hit here. So we just took a 14 to a 16. Just wave it off. 14. Oh man, $19. Well, you know what, guys? Sometimes that is the way it goes, guys. This was my first Blackjack edition, $100. Could we win it? Could we lose it? This was not the best series of cards here, right? It did not work out in our favor, guys. That is the casino. You don't always win. Sometimes you can take that $100 to $300, $400, $500 plus. Sometimes you lose it all in just a few minutes. But either way, guys, make sure you're playing the way you're supposed to play. You're hitting the cards you're supposed to hit, and you're playing smart. If you play smart, you win more. Okay, guys, until next time, mark the point. Stay awesome.